I'd like to talk to you about placing some water in and having my plants grow. This is what happens up in this area. And the next couple of nights they're going to be spraying pesticide. Not over here. Take a real close look. Let me know when you start to see the bottom, and I'll try my best to show you. Look at that thing move right towards the left. Look at that move. Those are larvae. And if you simply just watch that bottle, right there's a mosquito. And they will eventually come up and fly. Mosquitoes, they germinate. They come from the water. So make sure you don't have any water sitting around. And get all that water out. And no more me putting bottles out here so mosquitoes can grow.